my first ever everyday tech carry reveal, and these are the items that you'll mostly see me using for content creation and just for filming. First and foremost, this video is sponsored by Artlist, but more on that later. And just to keep in mind, these are not the latest and greatest tech gear out there, but I still think it is relevant even for a small content creator like myself. So let's start off with the backpack. This is the Grams 28 152 Transit backpack, a 20-liter backpack that is made of Italian pebble bovine leather that looks luxurious, clean, and professional. It has padded laptop sleeve, a front compartment with a very satisfying lock mechanism, top compartment for wallets and passports, and overall a great premium backpack, lots of compartments for your item, laptop, tablets, and other accessories. Now following up with that, my current laptop that I always go to is the Dell Pro 13 Premium. It's light and compact. I can produce short form videos with this, I can play games, and just general binge watching. It has a 2K touchscreen, perfect resolution of this size, and the color are great for content creation with 500 nits display. But what I really love with this laptop is the battery life, which can practically last me the whole day. And I just love the size of this laptop because for an everyday tech carry, I want it to be light and compact while having good performance for what I need. Now for the mouse that I always bring, I have the Chilkey Glacier 8K. And I always bring it when I really need to edit or play games. It's a super light mouse weighing only 49 grams and it's perfect for fast gaming and general productivity. Plus it has a minimal sleek design and just perfect for all-rounder usage. Now when I'm editing or gaming on the side, I always bring with me a pair of headphones, and the one I have right now is the Sony XM5. The sound quality on this is great with active noise cancelling feature if I really want to focus. It has a great clarity on the highs and dynamic on the mids and the low frequency. I definitely enjoy this when listening to music, playing games, and even just creating content on the side or while on the go. The only thing that bothers me sometimes is that this headphone is not so friendly to put it in the bag because you can't even fold it to make it more space efficient. Moving on with my battery bank, I currently use the Charge Ice Mag 2. It's a 10K milliamp hour battery bank with 15-watt charging. It has active cooling that looks cool because it reveals some of the insides, the battery level, and the fan. And I only bring it when I need extra power for my phone or charge something in my backpack. It is also a MagSafe charger, so you can literally use your phone while it's being charged without any cables on the way. And if you're watching a video, you can use this as a stand as well. The 10K milliamp hour is a good amount for everyday use or backup power, so for me, it's a must to bring. Moving on with my phone, right now I'm still rocking the Google Pixel 8. It's an old phone that can pretty much do most of the activities I need, and one of the reasons I went with this phone before is because it's perfect for my hand and it's just a good phone for regular use. I wouldn't recommend this if you want to take better quality photos and videos. There's definitely way better phones nowadays. It does have some Google AI feature, but one drawback I find with this phone is the performance. It's quite underwhelming when I try playing games on it or even just using AI features for photos. I've had this for quite some time now and I can say that this is an old man's phone. I'll definitely upgrade sometime next year and I will keep you posted. Now with my everyday tech carry, I usually bring a pair of camera and lens with me with some accessories just because I mainly film videos and take photos on the side, and so it's a must for me when I go out. So for me to be able to store a camera in this backpack, I use the Nomadic Small Cube, which I believe you can buy this separately if you want to do the same. And I think for a casual use, it's a perfect size to bring my camera with some accessories on the side. The Nomadic Cube is slightly thicker, but it definitely fits and it adds to the rigidity of the bag, which technically you don't need at all, but I just like being organized. Now for my camera, I do bring with me the Sony a7 IV. It might be a little too bulky for an everyday tech use because there's also a cage on it, but this is my B cam, so I also use this for content creation mainly in the studio. But it is perfect for everyday casual use. It has 33 megapixel sensor, perfect for taking photos, and can record 10-bit 4K videos up to 60 FPS with crop. And what I love about the Sony a7 IV is the quick dial to photo and video mode with your own customized settings. It definitely has everything that I need to capture photos and videos, even for vlogging, and it's pretty much an all-rounder camera. Now I paired it with the Sony 16-35mm f2.8 GM2 lens. This is my favorite lens to use with my a7 IV because it has the ultra-wide 16mm for vlogging and captures more of the location, and it can zoom to 35mm, perfect for b-roll shots and product shots. And if you want more compression, I usually switch my mode to number 2 on my dial to go 4K 60 FPS mode with 1.5x crop. So the 35mm becomes a nifty 50 at 52.5mm, which is a perfect focal length for portraits, b-rolls, and just general slow motion. Lastly, I attach a black mist filter on it because I just love the look of the black mist. This one is from Polar Pro Cine Black with 1/2 mist, and I do bring an extra 2 to 5 stop VND CPL filter if I really need to control the amount of light and reflection. This one is also from Polar Pro in collaboration with Peter McKinnon, and it is a Helix Maglock as a quick release system. Now for my microphone to capture a better audio quality. If you watched my previous video, you know that the ECM B10 is my favorite shotgun mic because of the quality it produces with such a light and compact microphone. Plus it has all the modes I need and it's powered via hot shoe mount. This is definitely a high recommendation for any vloggers out there. Now for the sponsor of this video, I'm here to tell you that starting November 12th, Artlist is having their massive holiday sale that only goes once a year. First, we get a 40% off all annual AI plans, and with this, you can try some of the fastest and video realistic AI generator such as Sora 2 Pro, Kling 2.5, VO 3.1, and even Nano Banana, because some of them are just invite only. They also added 16% off AI credits if you need more for your projects. Such as this one, it is made by Sora 2 Pro, and just look how realistic this video is.
This is freedom! Nothing can catch me now!
You can definitely create some viral videos out of this, or even just storyboards and concept for client work. They also have AI voiceovers for your projects that are customizable and can even transform your own voice into one of their highly curated voiceovers.
Just like this one. Or this one.
Or even this one.
Second, you get 20% off Artlist Max Pro annual plan, which gives you access to everything they have, such as music, sound effects, footages, cinematic LUTs, templates, and a lot more. And let me tell you, Artlist has been my go-to when it comes to content creation and client work because they're always updating the latest and greatest assets that you need in one platform. Highly curated assets for all aspects of your project, and worry less because it's all protected by Artlist license. Now if you use my link below, you'll get an extra 2 months for free on annual subscription on top of the sale event. So head to artlist.io and don't miss out on this annual sale event. And thanks again Artlist for sponsoring this video. For my camera accessories, I do bring with me 2 extra pairs of battery with a Lano 2-slot charger that can fill up both batteries simultaneously with LED power levels and protection from overheating, overcharging, and short circuit. For my SD cards, I usually bring one ProGrade 960GB SD card Type A because it's pretty much all I need throughout the day. And trust me, I'm having a hard time filling up a 960GB memory. And to transfer the files, I also bring with me the mobile card reader from ProGrade, which can transfer up to 10 gigabits per second and can be used to transfer to your phone or laptop. For storing and editing, I have with me the ProGrade 2TB ultra portable SSD card because just look how small this thing is. Plus, it has both Type A and Type C to plug, so you won't need any cables either. So pretty much these are the items that I do carry with me every day, even in the studio or out there filming, just because these are the items that I find most convenient and the most useful for everything that I do for content creation, client work, and even just casual vlogging. So do let me know if I forgot something. I'll try to answer it as much as I can in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel because I love making these types of videos. Hit like for the algorithm, comment what you think, follow me on my social medias, and as always, have a great day, stay faithful, and here are some of my videos if you want to check my small channel. Peace out.